The Artemis program has been announced due to the constant delays in its space missions. Recently, the cancellation of the construction of the Gateway space station was announced. This decision marks a significant change in the direction of the program, according to the NASA administrator. Before continuing, if you like space exploration and want to be aware of the latest news, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Your support is essential to continue sharing interesting information. Artemis's original plan included the Gateway as a key element for humanity's return to the Moon. However, NASA has decided that this project is no longer a priority and that it will focus on building a permanent base on the Moon. This restructuring of the Artemis program focuses on Artemis 4, scheduled for 2028. This launch will allow regular flights between the Moon and Earth, facilitating a constant human presence on our natural satellite. The decision to cancel the Gateway is not arbitrary, but responds to the need to optimize resources and times. The construction of the lunar station was complicating the main objective of establishing a permanent human presence on the Moon. In addition, politics plays an important role in this decision. Donald Trump has urged NASA to accelerate the return of humans to the Moon and establish a permanent base before the end of its mandate in 2029. The private sector is also influencing this change. Companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin are developing space vehicles that make the Gateway less necessary from a logistical point of view. NASA seeks to adapt to this new competition. The cancellation of the Gateway will bring challenges for aerospace engineers. They will need to review existing contracts and hardware to adapt it to new missions. Time is a critical factor in this process. In addition to the changes in Artemis, NASA plans to launch Space Reactor 1 Freedom, an interplanetary spaceship powered by nuclear power. This launch is scheduled for before the end of 2028 and aims at Mars. This new nuclear technology will make it possible to reach remote regions such as Jupiter, where solar panels are not effective. Upon reaching Mars, the rocket will deploy a fleet of helicopters to continue exploration. In conclusion, the Artemis program is at a turning point. With decisions that impact your future and the advancement of space technology, it is an exciting moment for space exploration. What do you think of these changes?